Hello friends, welcome back to Unbox 7. Today I brought another review for you guys, and in this review we are going to unbox this bladeless portable fan plus humidifier with AC adapter. And this humidifier is an optimal fan choice for the office, bedroom, school, camping, and even can be used during a power outage. This can keep cool and comfortable any place at any time. This convenient, lightweight, portable fan delivers a very high velocity performance that is whisper quiet and allows you to move the unit from room to room or easily change the location within your current space. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do it right now and also turn on the bell icon, so whenever I upload a new video you guys will get a notification for it. I already unboxed the box and I took out the product out of the box. Here we have the user manual and all the details are in the user manual. And now I'm gonna take off all the wrapping and all the packaging from this product, and I will show you guys how this product will work and we will see the working of this product. We have this box, we have the charger and also the charging cord and adapter in it. We have type C USB charger. The innovative bladeless dynamic design increases air volume while delivering a soft airflow with safety measure. And if you guys are using this fan in your children or your kids room, so it's very easy and very convenient and also very safe just because of the bladeless dynamic system. It also carry the option for the lighting, and you can change the light because there are lots of options available, so you can adjust the lighting according to your mood. There are some cool colors as well. It also carries the options for various speeds of fan, for example low, medium and high, with soft touch of control for your comfort zone. And when you are changing the speed you don't even have to press the button, just you need to soft touch and it will change the speed. And this fan is basically rechargeable battery fan, so the rechargeable battery runs up to 8 hours at a low setting and can be used both indoor and outdoors. We also have this small water container water tank for humidifier with the capacity of 330 ml. So you can fill the water and there is a maximum level water, so you can just use that line and fill your water, and after that it can be used as a humidifier. So I'm gonna use the tank and filling the water in it, and after that we'll see the humidifier feature in it. Once you fill the water in this tank, you just need to put this tank on its place and it will connect there with small connectors. Okay, so let's pour the water in this small water tank to see it's working as a humidifier. And I'm gonna show you because I'm filling the water up to its maximum water level capacity. Then put the lid back on and place this mini water tank to its own place. Once it is adjusted properly, then it is ready to use as a humidifier with fan or without fan, because we have both option. And I absolutely love this amazing bladeless fan because I can use it either way, using as a fan or using as a fan plus humidifier, or I can use as a combo. I hope you guys like this bladeless fan and humidifier as much as I did. My friends, if you have any questions regarding this product, please feel free to ask in the comment box. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.